Hi, my name is Alexander, and today we'll talk about transportation kit and install it for Könner&Söhnen generators. Generators are large and rather heavy units. This complicates the process of handling them. Therefore, to ease the handling, let us consider the transportation kits. The range of the Könner&Söhnen TM includes 3 transportation kits. Transportation Kit KS3 kit suitable for gasoline generators KS2000 and KS3000 series. Transportation Kit KS7 kit suits for gasoline generators KS5000 and KS7000. And also the Transportation Kit KS10 kit suits for gasoline generators KS9000 and KS10000 series. All kits have the same configuration and include 2 wheels, half axles for wheels, 2 support legs, 2 handles, and a set of fasteners. Let's see how to install the transportation kit. First, mount the support legs. For this, we need raise the generator. Be careful not to overturn the generator to avoid fuel leakage and engine oil spillage. The next step is to install the half axle on which the wheels will be mounted. To do this, raise the generator from the other side. To install the half axle, remove the factory assembled rubber legs. Just untighten the screws and remove the legs. Then fasten the half axle to the frame with the help of such fasteners. Now let's attach the wheels. Just mount them on a half axle and fix. Spread the pin ends. The second wheel is mounted the same way. Now we can lower the generator. The last step is to install the transport handles. For this, use long screws. Special rubber pads on the handles prevent damage of the frame. As a result, we installed the Könner&Söhnen transportation kit in just 5 minutes. The installation procedure is the same for other gasoline generators. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new videos. Let's call it a day. See you next time.